Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to video number 4 for the tutorial for the pop-up mini Christmas album using Nostalgia by Authentique for Country Craft Creations. Today we're going to work on page set number 2. Now for the center section we're only going to pattern it. We are not going to do the pop-up element until we put this into the book. So we will only be decorating the front and the back of page set number 2. We'll be working on one of the base pages that does not have a flip at the top. So it just has the center fold. So right now go ahead and grab your papers that you pre-cut and inked, and I'm using this dotted paper here on the center. So I'm just going to go ahead and pattern these so that I have them ready, but there will be no decorating and no pop-up added to this center section until we put it into the album cover on the hinges. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down and burnish them both. Next, go ahead and pattern the front and back of your page set number 2. Make sure that you have the side openings to your left and your right. This is for the hinge. And then if you want a ribbon closure, go ahead and punch the holes for that. I used eyelets on mine and thread the ribbon through and go ahead and tie it. Or you can add magnets before you put down your patterned paper. Once you have these patterned, then go ahead and glue your pocket down on the back side like we did in page set number 1. And then we'll be ready to start decorating the front and the back of this page set. So on the front side, I'm going to put this little rectangle stitched photo mat that I punched out on the left, and then I'm going to add this little cut apart that I matted to red over to the right. And also on the bottom corner I will fussy cut out and add a couple of Christmas bells that are on the paper. On the back side of page set number 2, go ahead and select the paper from your scraps that you want to use for your little pocket. Your pocket's already been attached the same way that you did for page set 1. So go ahead and select your papers and then cover the front of the pocket. So I'm using these little Christmas ornaments. And this is a wider strip of patterned paper, so I'm not doing the little border here. What I've done is taken one of the pop-up box elements components that we made earlier, and I'm going to cut it down to fit this Santa face image that I have laying here on the counter, and I'm going to pattern the pieces of the box that will be showing with scraps of paper. So I've cut little strips of paper for that, and this is another one of those that's just a box pop-up where you can it will flatten when you close the book, and then you can pull it up when you open the book. I added a small red button twine bow to the Santa, and I did put it on the pockets, so you make sure that you can still put items into your pocket, and you see how the box is patterned and it will press down and you can lift it up. So let's go ahead and create a few things to go in the pocket. You will do exactly the same as you did before. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and add a photo frame to the main top part above the pocket, and I'm going to leave the top edge I think open for photos. Then I will add a gift tag that I've cut out of the paper to the top. I'll create another booklet the same as I did the one in page set number 1 All the booklets are made the same for this project, so you will follow those instructions, pattern it with the papers that you desire, add cut-aparts and other photo mats as you wish into your pocket here for page set 2. The front and the back of page set 2 have been patterned and decorated, a pocket added, and our elements that we add into the pocket. And we have patterned the inside of page set 2, but remember, we are not going to create the pop-up for it or decorate it until we have inserted this page into the album cover with its hinge. So this will be done later on. We'll continue in the next video, video number 5, by working on page set number 3. Check back later. Thank you. Bye-bye.